Have you noticed how everything feels more expensive lately? Groceries, caffeine. Quiet behind rising prices has a name: inflation. If your coffee used to cost $2 and now it costs $3, that's inflation in action. Same coffee, higher price. Inflation simply means prices rise over time. But the deeper truth, your money buys less than it used to. One major cause of inflation is an increase in the money supply. When more money enters the system, each unit becomes slightly less valuable. If more people have money but the number of goods stays the same, prices go up. It's simple supply and demand. When demand exceeds supply, prices rise. When supply exceeds demand, prices stabilize. When supply chains break, fewer goods reach the market. Less supply means higher prices. Energy costs affect everything. When fuel becomes more expensive, transportation and production costs rise too. Even if your salary increases, inflation can erase that gain. If prices rise faster than wages, you're actually losing purchasing power. Inflation doesn't destroy money. It quietly reduces what that money can buy. Debtors can benefit from inflation. If you owe fixed-rate debt, you repay it with money that's worth less over time. People who own assets, like real estate, often benefit because asset prices tend to rise with inflation. If your money sits in cash without earning returns, inflation slowly eats away at its value. Retirees and fixed-income earners are hit hardest. Their income stays the same, but expenses rise. Central banks influence inflation by controlling interest rates and money supply. Central banks influence inflation by controlling interest rates and money supply. To protect your wealth, consider assets that historically keep pace with inflation. Cash loses value during inflation. Investments can outpace it. Compound growth allows your money to grow faster than inflation over time. Strategic, low-interest debt can become cheaper in real terms during inflation. An emergency fund protects you from short-term shocks. Tracking expenses helps you adapt before inflation adapts you. Inflation rewards intentional spending and punishes impulse decisions. Inflation isn't just economic, it's psychological. It changes how people behave. The key is long-term thinking. Inflation fluctuates, but strategy wins. If your income doesn't outpace inflation, your lifestyle shrinks. Inflation often widens the wealth gap between asset owners and wage earners. Now you understand why prices rise, who benefits, who loses, and how the system really works. Inflation is not your enemy. Ignorance is. Understand it, adapt to it, protect your money intelligently.